So 11th Jan 2025, we are moving with the session number 2, where I am trying to continue my knowledge of commands with your C, Java, C Sharp. Okay? So ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಯಾಕೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So now I am trying to extend the knowledge of commands into my programming. So today I am trying to write a simple. It's not about program. It's about commands. I am trying to write a class. Hello. And it's a Java program. Public static void main. And here I would like to write system.out.println. As we know, we are trying to learn commands and it's a console application. So I'll type as usual hello world. Today we are not jumping into not Java. Basically, we are trying to extend the knowledge. And then now again kaltvi. So I'll usually save this in this name so that we are not confused. Or what you can do is you can know that, but let's go with the same. Okay, it's in the drive. So what I would like to do is I would like to, okay, that's fine. Hello.java, but I cannot use it in command prompt. So I'll do one. I'll save it in my desktop. Okay. 2025 programming and web development classes. It started in the Jan. Okay. Then within this, today it is 11th. It's my hello.java. So usually ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆದು. It's better to give double quotes or you can also ignore it. If it is throwing in, sometimes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ hello.java.txt ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. After you have saved your program, open the folder where it is located. Desktop 2025 Jan programming and web, and here is my Java source file. You can see. Now I want to compile it. As we know we have installed the software and the steps. First, let us learn and extend our knowledge of commands, which we have learned in the previous video. Let me close all these my files. Let me open only the file which is being written on my desktop. That is this one. Okay. Now we are not learning Java. Actually, we are trying to learn command or extend the command. Where is this located? C user chan desktop 2025 Jan PWD 11 Jan. Okay, perfect. First thing, if you want to navigate, what did you do? You go to C drive, users, chan, then you have to go to desktop. In desktop, you have to go to 2025 Jan PWD 11 Jan, right? Let me do this. Okay. First, I should go to C drive, CD backslash. Now, CD users, CD chan, CD CHAND, CD desktop, all in lowercase. You need not have to type CD 2020, CD Jan, CD. You just type tab, it will CD, clear it. All of them are CD, CD, CD. Now I have to type the command Java C. Now Java C is a command. Java C is a command. It is not working. If I type Java C in caps, is also fine. It's not working. Now I need to set the path. Where is this software located? It is in. So don't forget, from the previous video, I'm trying to learn commands. I'm learning and extending the learning. Java, JDK bin. This is the folder where it is located. Let me copy this. And now I have to set the path. Set path or set. Just type set. You'll get all the paths. All the paths. Okay, but I have to set the path. So do I have path? Yes, I have path. You can see this path. Okay. It is having C program files x86. What? What is that I'm trying to do is, I have to set the path is equal to double quotes open, close semicolon. Now this will set the Java compiler. Java interpreter. There are two commands. One is JAVAC compile command. Java command is an interpreter command. Java is an interpreter. All of them are commands. When you are in command prompt, just recall that you are typing commands. So now, if I type path, all the old paths are gone. What will happen with this problem? ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ Java compiler work ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Let's concentrate on JAVAC. JAVAC command. It works. Java command. As I mentioned, all these are the commands which will work in lowercase or uppercase. Now you have to specify input. Help Java. Will it work? No, because it is not a default Java / let me type JAVAC / when I press enter, all these commands will see. Verbose, version, whereer. Do we have the help? It should have a help for sure. -h. Specify where the place generated native header files. Print helps the help message. Okay. -help, minus question mark. Okay. JAVAC minus question mark. This is your input type. Okay. It is helping. It is showing all this, right? Ella commands gunu help irutte. ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ help actually. ಇದೇ help. At file name, read options and file names from file. -a key is equal to an option. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಖಂಡಿತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ JAVAC command space file name dot Java. No errors. Java command space class name. It worked. It compiled. My agenda was to concentrate on this command, and this is the input. This is the command. This is the input. What is the input? JAVAC is expecting a file name dot Java extension. Java is expecting a class name. Class name, which is this one. If I type anything like ABCD, that's fine. Since you have changed the code, you have to compile the code. JAVAC, this is file name. Java, you have to specify the class name. What is the class name? ABCD. What it is saying? JAVAC hello.java. Then Java ABCD. Could not find or load the main class ABCD. Why? Let me check. It should have been there. Okay, we have this class file. This is wonderful. Perfect. Did I not save it? I'll save it again. Class ABCD, public static void main, everything looks great. I'll delete all my files. Delete start.class file. Because I wanted to delete. Perfect. Now, JAVAC hello.java. Perfect. Java space ABCD. Before I type it, I would like to see whether the file is generated. It is still generating the class in hello. Why? Okay. The reason behind it is I've opened the wrong file. I've edited the wrong file. This was the file which was in the drive. Let me save it. See, I'm editing around one. Let me open it in the desktop. Desktop 2025. Try to open the right files to get the right output. So now I'll type ABCD, save it. This is the right file. Clear the screen. Java C space hello.java. Input ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Command. First one is command. Then the input. Input is class name. Just a name, which is this one. And when you compile it, you'll get a class file. Now let's see. It works. So I want to delete all the files other than star.class. All the class files will be deleted. You can watch my screen. It has only a Java source file. Java C space hello.java. This should generate a class file because it is Java. And then Java space your class hello world. That's it. Now we know the command. Now we know the compilation and interpretation process. Exactly same way, I want to write a C# program. Class hello. You'll not find any difference between the programming until unless you are clear. Public static void main. System dot console dot write line. C# ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ? SSJS ಇರೋದೇ .NET ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ನೀವು .NET ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. 11:30 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ SSJS .NET ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ C# ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಂ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ಸ್. ನಾನು C# ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್. hello C#. Let me save it. You can give any name. Okay, I'll give it as hello. Or I'll type it as hi.cs. Okay, this is once again, go back and do the same stuff. C# compiler command, it's not recognized. Now, the sad part is help is not recognized. CLS, it's fine. There are many commands which will not work. Path, it is only giving me CalC, it's a command, it's not working. Notepad, it's a command, it's not working. What happened? Since I made a mistake in path setting, and it is not a great mistake, you exit the command prompt, you go back to your command prompt, you will get all your commands. CALC command, which is an application. Notepad is a command, it's an application. Now, these two are the applications. I need Java C application. I need C# application or command. Ella command. It's not working, right? Because path doesn't know about it. Now concentrate on last path. ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. SF bin ಇದೆ. Now I want two paths. C drive, because these commands are external software. Program files, Java JDK, and bin. If you remember, C programming ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ bin folder ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. 90% bin ಇರುತ್ತೆ programming ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Bin and copy. I'll copy this part, keep it for myself for now. Next, C drive, Windows folder, Microsoft.NET folder, framework folder, and you can pick any choice of your choice, version 2 or version 4. I'll go with version. I want the C# compiler, this one, this guy. I'll copy this. Okay. Now, what is the command? Path is equal to percentage path percentage. It looks like a personalization string. For you, double quotes, copy the path, double quotes close, semicolon, copy the second path, double quotes open and close with semicolon. Don't forget to give the semicolon. Now I'll copy this command and paste it here. Now observe this one. It is ending with sfbin. What will happen? If I type path and enter, you'll get additionally, you'll get one more. Now JavaC works, C# compiler works. It works. Java command works. JavaC, Java. All the commands are working. Now if I exit it, and if I come back to command prompt, the newly added path is gone because it is temporary. Practice this command path is equal to percentage path percentage semicolon double quotes open C colon backslash program files. Program files, I'm using tab. Program files, Java, JDK, bin. Since I know where the path is, semicolon double quotes, C colon backslash Windows, Microsoft.NET, framework, and version code. Now, while typing this command, I have both. C# compiler is ready, Java. But don't forget, it is only temporary until you have this command. Now, you have to go with your program file where it is stored. CD users, CD and CD desktop, CD 2025, CD Jan, CD PWD, CD 11 Jan. Now C# compiler space the file name .cs. If it is compiled successfully, so this is the command, this is the file name as an input. Let us compare with the command and input. This is the input. When I press enter, if it is successful, you will get some messages. You should not get any error. Then you should have that program ready, which is an application. You can see this application. This is my source file. After compiling, I'll get a class file. This is my source file. This is your application or your HAI. HAI. Enter. I enter. It works because it is almost like your command. .exe. CLS.exe. All these are commands actually, which ends with .exe. Knowingly or unknowingly, we learned one more thing, that it is an exe file. So second session was majorly concentrating on help you to understand the command. What is this command doing? This will restore, it will hold all the old values plus this value. If I don't do this, and if I just type path is equal to, then it will have only these two. You will lose all the old command, but temporarily. CLC is a command. It will open a calculator, right? Exactly same way. If I type this command without percentage path percentage, CalC will not work. JavaC command will work. C# compiler will work. Notepad will not work until you restore the command prompt. Exit and restore. Now, Java compiler will not work. CLC will work. Some of them are default commands. Okay. So the agenda was to help you people know, even though you're typing something, we don't know what we are typing. Exit is also an executable file. It went from .exe. By default, it is all .exe. If you look into this C# code, it is exe. That is the reason you're seeing application. So with this, we'll stop the video sharing, video recording on session 2. We'll go for a break of 10 minutes. When we come back, we'll continue with our learning. So please drop off the call and rejoin. Thank you. I'm stopping the record. Drop and rejoin.